Guys, for today's daily Cipher Morse code on Hamster Kombat to claim your 1 million coin, you're welcome to Ovampa. Just click on the daily cipher, and the first code for today is letter W, which is dot dash dash. And the second code for today is letter H, which is dot 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 dot. If you don't know how to put this, there's a video for you to do that pinned in the comment section or in this video description. And the next code for today is letter A, which is dot dash. And the next code for today is letter L, which is dot dash dot dot. Please give this video a thumbs up. Now the last code for today is the next code is letter E, which is dot. Congratulations. Bye for now.